Srangsalo nomination Blai Yapharnai West Tripura Lok Sabha Achukthaio Batainai India Alliance ni candidate Ashish Kumar Saha Srangsalo Congress Bobano kaisa kokthum panda khlaiei o koktoma saklaika MLA Blai Bormon kokthum pandawa MLA Blai Bormon tei bosaka fungni dam Chini simi Rabindra Bhavan bwskangni simi khlaijaknai rally asalni rally o phai manjak phainai All India Congress ni leader and youth icon Kanaya Kumar tei asalni rally ni paithago khlaijaknai lahar kothum panda hanai sawi khanarekha MLA Blai Bormon
এটা হচ্ছে তাদের অহংকারের বহিঃপ্রকাশ অর্থের যখন সাংঘাতিক মহান পরিমাণ ব্ল্যাক মানির উপর বসে থাকে কোনো রাজনৈতিক দল তখন এই সমস্ত গুলি বেরোয় আমাদের বিশ্বাস আস্থা সবটা হচ্ছে জনগণের উপর গণতন্ত্রের শেষ কথা জনগণই বলে আমাদের বিশ্বাস জনগণের কথা শিক্ষা Yeah. Then we have submitted our application long ago, and when we submitted, there was no other political party seeking that slot, and that is when agreed with the returning officer, the SP, and other officials of the election commission. We spoke to the DM, there is a returning officer, and he is very quick. Well, we stick to our position that 10:30 we are assembling in Rabindra Bhavan, India. From there, we will be proceeding towards the RO's office covering the main street of the city. BJP obviously, nobody is stopping them from submitting the nomination papers. But they have power. That doesn't mean they will get advantage in all those places. We have submitted the petition much before they did. Obviously, it is a system, first come, first serve. And with this submitting, we will be assembling in around 10:30 in front of the window over here. And from 11:30 we will be the position comments.
Raza Khorang Lini Shimi Pranapni Kokthum Chini Khorang.